Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore why a mobile-friendly website is not just a bonus. It's critical for SEO success. With mobile traffic dominating the web, your SEO performance depends heavily on how your site performs on mobile devices. Over 60% of global web traffic now comes from mobile devices. If your site is not optimized for smartphones, you are not just losing visitors, you are losing rankings too. Mobile-friendly designs means your website adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes, loads quickly, and is easy to navigate on phones or tablets. It ensures users have a smooth experience, no zooming, scrolling side to side, or waiting forever for pages to load. Google now uses mobile-first indexing, meaning it checks your mobile site first when deciding how to rank your pages. If your mobile version is poor, it impacts your visibility even in desktop search. Let's look at some major SEO benefits of having a mobile-friendly website. It directly improves page speed, reduces bounce rate, boosts user engagement, and help your site rank higher. Google's page experience update and core web vitals now measure mobile performance too. That includes metrics like loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability, all of which are easier to optimize on a mobile-friendly site. Avoid these common mistakes: tiny fonts, buttons too close together, slow loading times, and content that does not adjust to smaller screens. These not only frustrate users but also hurt your SEO. You can check if your website is mobile-friendly using tools like Google's mobile-friendly test, page speed insights, GT metrics, Lighthouse reports, in Chrome developer tools. Here are some best practices. Use a responsive design. Avoid intrusive pop-ups. Compress images. Keep font size readable. And ensure all touch elements are easily clickable. In a summary, a mobile-friendly design is not optimal. It's a core requirement for modern SEO. If you want better rankings, happier users, and higher conversion, optimizing for mobile is place to start. Thanks for watching. Make sure your website is mobile optimized. If you want to stay ahead in SEO, if you want more step-by-step SEO lessons, subscribe now and check the link below for our full course.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.